Okay, we're gonna start the 79 Yamaha it250. It's been sitting for, say, roughly 2.5 months, so turn the gas on. That's the choke. Turn the choke on. It's good. How many kicks it takes. Kind of hard to do with holding the camera. Come on, bike, fire up. Come on, hold on 1 second. See if we can get it to start this way. Maybe she don't want to start. Okay, I'll bring you back once I have it running. Oh my goodness, I got it running, but it took 5 million kicks. Holy crap. We'll let her warm up a bit. She really needs it. I mean, I probably sat there kicking it for 5 minutes before it actually started.